Welcome back to the Focus channel. In our previous video we talked about the comparison operators. Today we are going to dive deep into the world of logical operators and learn how they can supercharge your coding skills. Let's get started. What are logical operators? Logical operators are essential tools in programming that allow us to make decisions based on multiple conditions. In JavaScript we have three main logical operators: AND operators, which represent by two ampersand, or operators which represent by two vertical bars or pipeline, and NOT operator, which represent by the exclamation mark. Okay, the AND operator, as we said, the AND operator represent by two ampersands and return true only if both operand are true or both condition are true. Let's look at the example and see the output. Okay, I'm going to check if someone age is over than 18 and has a driver license, so that person can drive. Okay, let's see that late age is equal to 18 and late has license is equal to true, and late can drive is equal to, here we check that if age is equal to 18 and has a license, so the person can drive. CLG shortcut for console.log, and let's see the output. If the output is true, so the person are legal to drive. Okay, I'm using the VS Code terminal to see the result. If you want to see the result, you can in the VS Code terminal just write node and your file name. Now the result is true because age is equal to 18 and the person has a license is true. So if we make one of this condition false, so the output will be false. For example, if I use the person do not have the license, so now the output will be false. Okay, we said that it returns true only if both operand or both condition are true, otherwise it will return false. So let's see the OR operator. The OR operator is represent by two pipelines or two vertical bars. Return true if at least one of the operand is true. Here, for example, if one of the operand is true, so the result will be true. And instead of AND operator, if I use the OR operator, so the result of AND operator was false. Now we use the OR operator instead, so you can see the output will be true. It is simple that you understand this condition or this operand or this operand, or one of them are true, so the result will be true. If both of them is false, so the result will be false. Yeah, that you can see now this condition and this condition or this operand and this operand are false. So in this case both of them are false, so the output will be false. Now we understand the AND operators and the OR operator, and let's see the NOT operator. First let me clear the console and let's see the NOT operator. The NOT operator represented by the exclamation mark in JavaScript, and it negates the Boolean values of its operand. It's like switch that flip Boolean values. For example, if you have light, it is on. If you switch it, it makes off, and vice versa. So see the, before we use NOT operator, see the result. Now the result is true. If I use the NOT operator here before the can drive, it will make the value of can drive false. Let's see that. Now the value is false here. As you can see, it's just flipping the value of boolean. Yeah, the result is true. Okay, and also we can combine these logical operators to create a complex condition. For example, here we want to check that if a person age is greater or equal to 18 and this person has a license, and also check the and this person age is not greater than 65. So let's see the result. This person should be, yeah, okay, the result here we should change to true. So now this person are legal to drive because in this condition the age is greater than 18 and has license is true, and also he or she is not greater than 65. So they are now so the person are legal to drive. If you can combine this logical operator to check the complex conditions. In JavaScript there are several values that are considered falsy. Mainly they evaluate to false when used in the boolean context. I'm going to list some of them to, if you face with them, so you can understand. If it is false, so it is false. If it is 0, it evaluates to false. -0 evaluate to false. Empty string evaluate to false. Not matter it is single or double quotation, so it is evaluate to false. And null evaluate to false, and undefined or evaluate to false. So we can check all of them. Let's check them. They are false. False is evaluate to false, and if I put 0, it evaluate to false. Oh, sorry, we should use the boolean. In the boolean context, it will evaluate to false. Okay, clear. And say that if I use the empty string, it evaluate to false. And you can check all of them by yourself and see the result. All of them are evaluated to false. All other values in JavaScript, including any object, even empty object or arrays, are considered as truthy and evaluated to true in boolean context. Understanding these falsy values is crucial when working with conditional statement, logical operators, and other scenarios where JavaScript needs to evaluate an expression as either true or false. Okay, now we understand the logical operators and or not, and also combined them with each other to create a complex condition. And also we see these values to evaluate to false in the boolean context in JavaScript, and other values except these, they are evaluated to true. You are now equipped with the knowledge of logical operators in JavaScript. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try incorporating these into your code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Focus channel for more videos. See you in the next video.